Hello and welcome to the unboxing, or should I say the unpacking of the boAt Type-C USB 2 cable. This is a charging / data cable from boAt. This is a 2.0 Type-C to A USB cable with tough braiding and metallic connectors. On this packet itself, you can see what this particular data cable is going to look like. There are also certain diagrams over here. So it comes with durable connectors, premium braided cable, tangle-free cable, tangle-free because it's braided, and it is 3.3 feet, which is 1 meter long. Over this side, we have some more information. This is a 2.4 ampere cable. It has a transmission speed of 480 Mbps. Once again, it's 1 meter long. It comes with 2 years of warranty. That's more or less it. Let me just show you what this cable looks like. So these are the components of this particular packet. We have a product information and product warranty card, very tiny product warranty card from boAt right over here. And this is the cable in question. So you will notice this is a USB-A to Type-C cable. These are the reinforced tips in question, and this is the premium braided cable that it comes in. This is basically 1 meter long. Let me just show you how long that is. There you can see this is how long it usually is when you fold it on one side like so. This is what you find inside the box containing the boAt USB-C to USB 2.0 cable. Thank you for watching.